Protocol. Turncoat from Ninth Victory.
Good morning to all. I'm Karthik Raj from 9th Victory. Today's turncoat. Energetic learning. Energetic learning leads to inspiring students of their environment. It can also lead to inspire of courses and learning. Negative thoughts. Excessive learning after learning, it can lead to dignity. The energetic students can lead to more of the courses. Thank you.
Debate from 8th Triumph.
Good morning everyone, I am GB Rashmika from class 8 Triumph.
Good morning everyone, I am Diana from St. Louis.
Today's debate about confidence. I am going to tell positive things.
I am going to tell negative things.
Energetic students can enhance classroom dynamics, encouraging participation and creativity.
Excessive energy may lead to distraction, making it difficult for others to focus.
Their extension can inspire peers and foster a positive learning.
It can distract persons and hinder a structured learning environment. Thank you.
Story relay from 7th Pacific.
Thrilling morning to all. We are students of class 7 Pacific. Today we are going to perform a story relay. The title of our story is Overconfidence.
In a vibrant forest, a curious little rabbit named Benny often pondered about his speech. One day he challenged his friend, a wise old tortoise, to a race. Confidence of victory, Benny dashed ahead, but soon stopped to nap, believing he had plenty of time. Meanwhile, tortoise was slow, but kept moving on crossing the finish line first. When Benny woke up, he was shocked to see the tortoise celebrating. The moral of the story is overconfidence can lead to failure. Steady effort often wins the race. Thank you.
Idiom with meaning from 6th King David.
Good morning to all. I am Vaishnavi from class 6 King David. Today's idioms: goose is cooked, meaning a person action have been discovered under that he or she is in trouble. Thank you.
Tongue twister from 5th APJ Kalam.
Good morning to all. My name is John Lama. I am studying 5th standard APJ Abdul Kalam. Tongue twister. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Thank you.
Proverb with meaning from 4th Europe.
Good morning to all. My name is Tifa. I am studying 4th standard era. Proverb with meaning. Proverb. A stitch in a tie saves nine. Explanation. Taking care of a problem earlier will prevent it from getting worse and requiring more effort to fix later. Thank you.
Meaning and synonyms from 3rd Diamond.
Good morning to all. My name is Nita. I am studying 3rd standard diamond. Vocabulary and synonym. Vocabulary. Dislike, extremely sad and feeling alone. Synonyms: lonely, empty, dislike. Thank you.
Opposites and antonyms from 2nd Jupiter.
Good morning to all. My name is Melania. I am studying 2nd standard Jupiter. Opposites were to set, to respect, to start, to stop, to unit, to divide. Thank you.
Rhyming words from 1st America.
Good morning to all. My name is Tanmani. I am studying 1st standard America. Rhyming words: say, pay, way, pay, pay. Thank you.
Phonic sounds from UKG Penguins.
Good morning to all. My name is Sai Shandeep. I am studying UKG Penguins.
Object show and tell from LKG Roses.
Good morning to all. My name is Frances Nidisa. I'm studying LKG Roses. They are students. These are thank you.
Let us appreciate